The Swedish Foundation for Strategic Research, SSF, is an independent research funding organisation supporting research in natural science, engineering and medicine that is important for Sweden's future competitiveness. SSF funds individuals, mobility programmes and large research initiatives that combine scientific excellence with strategic relevance for industry and society. As an external reviewer, your expertise is essential in ensuring that the best projects receive support. Welcome to SSF's Guide to the Application and Review Portal. This video guides you step by step from creating your account to submitting your review. Step 1. Create your account. If you don't have an SSF account, please inform your contact research officer at SSF. Your contact will create an account for you and send you a temporary password, which you must change after logging in. Go to this website and enter your email address and temporary password. If you already have an account, please log in using your registered email address and password. You can always click Forgot Password, Send me my password, and a new password will be sent to your registered email address. We advise you to log on to the system as soon as possible during the review process to check that your personal information, including your payment details, is correct and that the applications have been properly distributed to you. Step 2. Payment details and remuneration. After logging in, click on the link External Reviewer to access your homepage for external reviews. By clicking Edit Payment Details, you can enter your information for remuneration. If you do not wish to receive remuneration, tick the box I do not ask for remuneration, otherwise leave it empty. As an external reviewer, you're asked to fill in the fields marked in blue. Please ensure that your bank accepts payments in Swedish krona. If you know your bank does not accept SEK from a Swedish bank, tick the box, otherwise leave it empty. Step 3. Confidentiality Agreement. All information you access is confidential. Before starting your review, click on the assigned application and then click I agree to accept the confidentiality agreement. Step 4. Declare conflicts of interest and competence level. For each assigned application, you must register any conflicts of interest and indicate your level of competence. Consult SSF's Conflicts of Interest policy for definitions and examples. You will be notified by your contact research officer at SSF when the applications have been distributed among the external evaluators. Please log into the system as soon as possible. The list of applications can be viewed in the portal. You can open an application by selecting View Print Application. If you identify a conflict of interest, notify your research officer immediately so that the application can be reassigned. Step 5. Viewing applications. In the portal, you will see all applications assigned to you. Click the application number to open it. Use View Print Application to download the full proposal, or write Edit Review to enter your comments directly in the portal. Step 6. Writing and saving your review. Fill in all required fields in the review form. Each criterion has a separate grade. When finished, click Back to save your text in the review. You may return and edit your review until the deadline communicated to you by the responsible research officer. Step 7. Evaluation criteria and grading scale. The main criteria used by SSF in the evaluation of applications are qualification of the applicants, scientific quality of the proposed research, strategic relevance and the impact of the proposed research, scope of the call. Additional evaluation criteria may apply for certain calls or grant types. These will be specified in the call text. Based on the evaluation criteria, an overall assessment grade should be given, reflecting the quality of the application in its entirety. The following 5-point grading scale is used. 5. Outstanding. 4. Excellent. 3. Very good. 2. Good. 1. Insufficient. Specification of evaluation criteria. Qualification of the applicants. This refers to the applicant's previous accomplishments, international experience, and networks relevant to the current call. Control questions. Does the applicant have sufficient research experience, expertise, independence, and scientific network to implement the proposed project? Does the applicant's publication record suggest a coherent line of investigation in a field relevant to the call? Are relevant collaborations established? Scientific quality of the proposed research. This refers to scientific originality, strengths, weaknesses, interdisciplinarity, feasibility of the research plan, and other criteria relevant to the specific call. Control questions. Will the project, if successful, significantly advance the state-of-the-art in its research field? Do the study design research questions and hypotheses meet the highest standards of scientific quality? Are the hypotheses clearly defined and based on the current state-of-the-art appropriate literature and/or preliminary data? Are potential problems and alternative strategies identified and presented? Strategic relevance and impact of the proposed research. It is important that the applicant clearly describes how the project will have impact beyond academia. This may include active collaboration with companies, the healthcare sector, or other key end users. There must be a clearly expressed and credible intention to address societal or industrial challenges and to bring project results to fruition. However, it is important to acknowledge that ways of contributing to the development and use of results may differ across research fields. Control questions. Can the project benefit society in a 10 to 15-year perspective? Are stakeholders described and appropriately positioned in the research and exploitation plans? Are suitable indicators for partial results, demonstrators, etc. included? Is the exploitation plan clearly stated and realistic? Scope of the call. This section refers to the theme of the specific call. Control question. Does the application correspond to the call text? Step 8. Submitting your review. Please note that your review will not be submitted unless you click Submit Review when finished. If you wish to edit a review that has already been submitted, you can do so before the review deadline. Click Unsubmit Review and follow the steps above to resubmit. Thank you for contributing your expertise as an external reviewer. By following these steps, you help ensure a fair and high-quality evaluation process. For any questions, please contact your SSF Research Officer.